So how do you help with insurance, and what's a home owners watch for?
Yeah, that's another great question. And, here at Steel Country, what we always recommend is have your local roofer come out and check with you, and sit with you first and have them inspect the roof. Most homeowners are going to provide a complimentary inspection on the roof after a storm because, obviously they want to check the roof. And if there's a way to help the homeowner get things done through the insurance process, it's always going to be the best route. Now, understanding insurance and understanding policy is going to be a little bit different. We can deep dive into that a little bit later. But obviously, you want to have a roofer come out, never call the insurance first, always have a roofer come out and check your roof. Step two to that would be whatever contractor you choose or whatever roofer you choose, make sure that they show you pictures of what they found on the roof. Don't just take their word for it. Those would be the 2 points of emphasis. Have someone check it. Don't call the insurance company first. Call your local roofer, and then have them come out, check it, and then provide a damage report assessing what they found.